Stuck on a complex mathematics problem. Whether you are preparing for GCSEs in the UK, the digital SAT in the US, or JAMB and WAEC here in Nigeria, the pressure is the same. But here is the secret. The logic of mathematics is universal. I am here to help you master it, no matter where in the world you are sitting for your exams. I am Cletus Okoli, a professional mathematics educator and academic consultant. I specialize in bridging the academic gap between classroom confusion and the top-tier grades, from 11+ entrance exams to higher-tier GCSEs. I provide high-impact digital support for students across the UK, US, Canada, Australia, Nigeria, and beyond. With digital pen in my hand, my tablet, in combination with my system, I am good to go. On this channel, you get more than just theory. You get proof of work. I share real life recorded sessions and step-by-step walkthroughs of actual past questions. You will see the exact logic and the digital strategies I use with my private students to crack the toughest topics in real time. My goal is simple: to build your confidence and your scores. Whether you are a student struggling with a specific topic or a parent looking for a proven academic partner for your child, you have found the right space. Professionalism, clarity, and results. That is what I bring to every lesson. Ready to master your next challenge? Reach out today for your personalized one-on-one tutoring or subscribe to my global classroom. Let's solve these problems together, and I will see you in our first session.